Well, this is how Pakistan, we will ensure, has to pay for the crimes that it has committed. And these are the chilling details which are now emerging. Stripped, identified and hunted innocents. In fact, that's the big breaking news that we are getting for you. In fact, there's a big shocker which is coming in by Anil Deshmukh of the NCP SP. He says there's no proof of profiling which is coming in, despite the fact that there were details of how men were being forced to strip. There were some who were asked to read the kalma. You still have Sharad Pawar's NCP leaders coming out and said the truth will only come out after a probe. Watch this.
इसके बारे में अभी पक्की खबर नहीं है, अलग अलग खबरें आ रही है। ऐसा जो काफ़ी जो 2-3 वीडियो जो आए उन्होंने ये बताया कि गोली दागने के पहले ऐसा किसने पूछा नहीं था कि आप हिंदू हो या मुस्लिम हो। ऐसे भी कुछ बातें सामने आई है। अभी धीरे धीरे पूरी जब छानबीन होगी तब ये बातें, सच्ची बात क्या है वो सब सामने आएंगी।
Well, let me go across to Arunil. Arunil, there are heart-wrenching testimonies which are now coming out. How the people, the victims, were asked to read the kalma and their fate dependent on their religion. That they were specifically identified, targeted, hunt down and shot execution style because of their religion. Why is Anil Deshmukh still saying that there is no proof of profiling?
Well, certainly, yes, extremely appalling by Anil Deshmukh, former Home Minister of Maharashtra. He was in jail also during the MBA regime itself. Here as well, Anil Deshmukh basically has no locus standi basically to speak about it. We have questioned Anil Deshmukh in a phone call that we Times Now made to Anil Deshmukh, asking him that why is he trying to spread this false rhetoric? What evidences does he have? Why can't he abide by several people, several witnesses or family members of victims who have confirmed the fact that religion of the victims or the people who were present at Pahalgam were indeed asked? Why is he trying? Is he trying to appease a particular community? Because his party also does that. We have asked this question. We should basically play out that phone reaction of Anil Deshmukh as well, Meghna.
Well, yes, we'll try and get our viewers that as well. But this is the shocking statement which is coming in from Anil Deshmukh. Well, we are going to get you testimonies of exactly how Hindus were indeed being targeted, profiled, identified and shot dead. Several such testimonies are there which show just why and how we have seen in the past as well, just how that there are Hindus who've said that they were forced to read the kalma. There are others who have said, including the wife of Lieutenant Narwal, who say that her husband did not look Muslim, which is why he was shot dead. Meanwhile, let's get you a reaction coming in from the BJP national spokesperson, Shehzad Poonawalla. This is what he has to say.
अब अनिल देशमुख एनसीपी शरद पवार के सबसे वरिष्ठ नेताओं में से एक रॉबर्ट वाड्रा हिंदुओं पर दोष डालते हैं, पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट देते हैं। अनिल देशमुख डिनायल में रहते हैं, कहते हैं कि ये धन पूछकर मारा गया हिंदुओं को, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, इसकी कोई पुष्टि नहीं है, इसकी कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं, ये तो छानबीन के बाद पता चलेगी। ऐसे कन्फ्लिक्टिंग रिपोर्ट्स है, कोई स्पष्ट बात नहीं है ये। जबकि पीड़ितों ने, परिवारों ने और जो हमारे लोगों को मारा गया उनकी विधवाओं ने ये आकर कहा है कि कैसे गोली मारी गई, नाम पूछकर, धर्म पूछकर, अगर आपको कलमा पढ़ना नहीं आता है तो आपको मार दिया गया और फिर और भी तरीके की चेकिंग करके आईडी से लेकर शरीर की, ताकि ये सुनिश्चित किया जाए कि हिंदू है, मारना है। और उसके बाद अनिल देशमुख डिनायल में रहते हैं। ये वही लोग हैं जो बार बार पाकिस्तान प्रायोजित इस्लामिक जिहाद को कवर फायर देते हैं। इन्होंने 26/11 का दोष हिंदुओं पर डाला, तब चेकिंग की आवश्यकता नहीं लगी। इन्होंने समझौता मालेगांव का दोष हिंदुओं पर डाला, पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट दे रहे। और अब एक तरफ रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं कि आतंकवाद क्यों होता है, क्योंकि माइनॉरिटीज इनसिक्योर फील करती हैं। वो जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं कि हिंदुत्व की पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है इसलिए आतंकवादी हमले होते हैं। और दूसरी तरफ अनिल देशमुख कहते हैं कि नहीं,